Hello everyone, my name is Ravi Dhodi. Today the topic of my presentation value chain analysis. Definitions. Value chain analysis is a process where a firm identifies its primary and support activity that add value to its final product and then analyze these activities to reduce cost or increase depreciation. Value chain represents the internal activity a firm engages in when transforming inputs into outputs. Value chain analysis chain. The full range of activities that are required to bring a product or service from its conception to its end use. Value chain analysis framework. Primary activities, support activities. Primary activities. Inbound logistics. All these activities concerned with receiving and storing extremely sourced materials. Operations. The manufacture of products and service. The way in which resource input sample materials are converted to outputs, example products. Outbound logistics. All these articles associate with getting finished goods and service to buyers. Marketing and sales. Essentially an information activity informing buyers and consumers about product and service benefit use price etc. Service. All these activities associate with maintaining product performance after the product has been sold. Support activity. The resource management, the manufacture of product and service, the way in which the resource inputs, sample materials are converted to outputs products. Technology development. All those activities associated with getting finished goods and service to buyers. Infrastructure. All this activity associated with maintaining products performance after the products has been sold. Value chain approach to perform analyze. Cost advantage, depreciation advantage. Cost advantage. Identify the firm primary and support activity. All the activity from receiving and storing materials to marketing, selling and after sales support that are undertaken to produce goods or service have to be clearly identified and separated from each other. These require an adequate knowledge of company operations because value chain activities are not organized in the same way as the company itself. Establish the relative importance to each activity in the total cost of product. The total cost of production product or service must be broken down and assigned to each activity. Activity-based costing is used to calculate cost for each process. Activities that are the major sources of cost are done efficiently, which benchmark assigned competitors must be addressed first. Differentiation, differentiation advantage. Identify the customer value creation activity. After identifying all values and activities, managers have to focus on those activities that contribute the most to creating customer value. Identify the best sustainable differences. Usually, superior differences and customer value will be the result of many interrelated activities and strategies used. The best combination of them should be used to pursue sustainable differences advantage. Thank you.